Hello everyone, here's something I just stumbled across the other day and I thought it was a lot of fun. I'd previously been to a Microsoft customer onsite and I did a presentation where I used Sway for the first time. If you haven't seen Sway, you can check it out at sway.office.com. Anyway, so I was browsing through this Word document that I was working on, and I was using the web version of Word when I realized, oh, let's see, File, Transform. Oh, interesting. What happens when I click on that? Oh, it looks a lot like Sway. And there it goes. It turns into a Sway presentation. Pretty cool. And then I'll show you the Office 365 plans that you could do a similar maneuver in. And I invite you to check out Sway for yourself. I'll have a link to this particular Sway so you can see it in action. Thank you very much.